Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change availability on Workday. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To update your availability on Workday, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Workday application and be sure to be logged in with your credentials. Then once you're logged in, from your home page, click on Time application. If it's not visible, click on View All Apps to find it. Then within the Time application, select My Schedule to view your current work schedule. Then click on the ellipse 3 dots next to your name. Then under Actions, select Time and Absence. Then request your work schedule. Then select the start date and end date if applicable. Choose the work schedule calendar that aligns with your desired availability. Then review your selection and then click on Submit. This will submit your updated availability to your manager for approval. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.